Hey guys, it's me Before. So in this video, we were gonna be doing some slime, but I didn't want it to do slime right now because it's night already. You can see my room is so dark. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down below the things I did with this slime. So yeah, I did these. Which one you want me to start with? Comment, okay? And please comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah, thanks. So in this one, these are like 4 ingredients, simple ingredients. And this one just one ingredient that's not that maybe like y'all have in your house. I don't know. So yeah, y'all been eating flowers, or the things that you do with pancakes. Y'all been eating that too, but I mix it and it's more like peanut, and I don't know why. So yeah, and so in this one there was paint, water, flour with those pancake things, um, um pink powder like for your cheeks, so from the girl. So yeah, so I use this one with this and I love it. It's just so structured. And if y'all don't like the slime that it's watery and wiggly and all of that, y'all don't have to do that one. Y'all can use this one. It's really good. So yeah, I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. So yeah, I just love it. I don't know why. I don't know how to say. Never mind. So yeah, so those things I'll link it down below. So yeah, in the other one, this one it has pink powder and it's pink, pink. So yeah, pink and pow has a little bit of water, cause some pink powder and a lot of glitter. So yeah, maybe y'all can't see it, but yeah. Oh yeah, and this one y'all can use glitter, your decision, food coloring, everything that y'all want. But yeah, and so yeah, I love it. This one not that hard to do. It's just simple. So yeah, I'll link it down below. Bye guys. Again, please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.